Hey everyone, it's Sydney, and today I'm doing a very exciting video. Today I'm going to show you our house, well, parts of our house, because this is going to be a little bit of a series. But the first part I'm going to show you today is our living room and our dining room, and I'm going to walk through really quickly some of the pieces that we have and where we got them, and yeah, so I'm really excited to do this video, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to start with is when we come through this doorway, we have our little shoes off mat. I got this from Etsy, and I think it's really cool because it's super tiny, and it kind of, it's okay if our guests have shoes on, but I don't really want them to because our, hardwood floors, we need to clean them. So I have this here. Hopefully they'll put their feet or their shoes here and leave them that way. Over here on this side, we have our cleaning closet. This is kind of the deepest closet that we have. So just inside, nothing crazy. We just have a vacuum cleaner, Swiffer, things like that. And that's about it in there, nothing exciting. But on this side, you can follow me, we have our dining room table. This is from my parents, actually. We probably get a different one soon because I don't really like the seats or anything, but I thought it was perfect for what we have right now. I got this little table runner from IKEA. We have an IKEA here in St. Louis, and it's awesome. It was only like $4 for this. And then our little lamp here I got from Ross. I don't know how much, but Ross is inexpensive. And then I really love this gather sign up here. That was from Ross. I believe it was like $24, and I think it's a really nice size. So that was really exciting to me to find something as cool as that for that wall to take up that space. So when you walk this way, you have this sign, which is what you see from the front door, and I love this because this is like literally the heart for our home. If you saw my Hobby Lobby haul, you know that I love this sign, and it says, "Be our guests, whether you come to visit or just to rest. When you're here at our home, may you be blessed." And I love that because we've probably been here like a week, and we lived here a week, and I feel like we've already had so many people here spend the night already, so like that is literally the heart for our home. So love that guy, and when you walk in, that's the first thing you see. So this couch here is actually from Ashley Furniture Store, but we got it on Facebook Market for $400, basically brand new. Like it was wrapped in paper, like it's brand stinking new basically. And I love it. I love the detailing right here on the sides. I feel like it makes it really classy because I don't really know what style we're going for our home, but I feel like it's kind of like a farmhouse chic maybe. So I really like those gems on there. The pillows that came with it, I don't really like these. I'm gonna get some new ones, but for right now I just kind of flip them this way. But let's talk about this sign. So I got it from Smallwood Home. It's an online store. I actually thought that scroll was gonna be wood, which it's not, it's paper, which at first I thought I was mad about, but I actually like it because it's very portable and won't fall. But yeah, I love that verse. I think it's really cool for when people come and hang out at the house and what they see. So yeah, and then this table, actually from my parents, they never used it because it was like an old, but we just kind of like reused it now, and I feel like it looks really nice here in this space because I really like the neutral colors. So I feel like it came back in style. This is just one of our wedding pictures for some decor, so cute. I got this candle from our housewarming party from one of my pastors, which I love. It smells really good. Bibles. And then this is really cool too. I don't know, does it matter if they see our Wi-Fi password? No. Okay. This is cool from Hobby Lobby. You probably saw it on my haul. And I love this because when we had all our friends over, people were like, "What's the Wi-Fi? What's the Wi-Fi?" I'm like, look at the coffee table because now we have our Wi-Fi. And everyone loves that because we have a guest Wi-Fi. We act like we're really bougie, but we're not. But yeah, we keep this right here for our guests to see it. And this wall isn't a work in process, but this is our where our TV is. We have two signs that are really, really cute, but we haven't hung them yet. It says a verse like, "May you satisfy us in the morning," or I'm blanking out what it is, but it's really cute. They'll go on each side. And then this is we got our TV from Walmart. Actually, it's less than $300. It's a Roku TV, it's a smart TV. So like, it's been awesome because we don't even watch cable, we watch YouTube. So love that. All of our friends, we just watch David Dobrik all night. That's what we do. This chest is cool because it's actually storage. We just have like some random stuff in there. But I got this in high school, so it's just kind of traveled with me. It matches the couch actually. So this is cool because we can kind of pull this up and put it over there for like when guests are here. But right now it's just gonna be under there. We're still working on this, but I just want to show it to you guys. Normal lamp, but something cool. We bought our smart plug, so now I can be like, "Alexa, turn on the lamp." Yeah, pretty darn cool. Love that. So it's just a smart plug, and we got that from Amazon. I highly recommend. We haven't really like used it too much yet, but we play with it. We think it's funny.
Make sure you turn those lights on and tell Alexa to turn it off.
Oh, Alexa, turn on the light.
so no.
Huh?
Now you tell her to turn it off.
Okay, Tony says that I need to tell the light to turn off.
Well, because if you just flicked it, she can't turn it on anymore because it's always off.
Oh. Alexa, turn off the lamp. There we go. Okay, now she's off. Back in business. This little basket was on clearance at TJ Maxx. White blanket from TJ Maxx. Pillow from TJ Maxx. Live, laugh, love. Okay, I'm really excited about my curtains, guys, because I got them from IKEA. Tony and my brother-in-law put them up, and we bought them all in like different pieces for the beams. But I love those black beams. I feel like this whole entire curtain set for both sides was like $50.
Oh, it's cheaper than that.
Cheaper than that. And these are the Hijita blinds. Hijita, I think. And I love them. They're really airy and super breezy. The beams, like, I feel like that in general, like the whole thing was like $10, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, super inexpensive. I love the way these look, and I love that they touch the floor. If you saw on my IG, you know I've been struggling with this mantle. It's still not done. I don't really know. I'm just kind of working with it. But our basket, I get so many questions about the basket. The basket's from Target from my cousin, and then I got these little fake eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And all this stuff is like from the old house or random places, and I just kind of like find new homes for it. So I haven't bought a whole bunch of new stuff. This was a Christmas gift from my mom. She got that for me and Tony. And then this is from my Hobby Lobby haul, if you remember. I got it on sale. Hobby Lobby, always look for the sale. And yeah, Hobby Lobby. And then this plant I got from IKEA. And then there's also a planter here from IKEA. Super inexpensive for that too. I got this from my friend Sam for our housewarming gift. Very, very cute. And then this little plant, I love him. His name is Craig Jr. because if you know from my morning routine, from our old morning routine, I talk about how much I love Craig. But Craig is at my parents' house because he was too big to travel. But luckily, we have a Craig Jr. that my cousin Laura gave to us. And I love this planter. Craig Jr. is a little bit more in style than Craig the original, so I'm happy about it. But yeah, I think, did I miss anything?
No, I think that's it.
Okay, well yeah, this is our home. This is our living room. This is our dining room, and we love it. It's very comfortable. We have been already making so many memories here, and we love it. If you want to see more, I feel like we're so far from each other. Hello, come back in. If you want to see the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, because our bathroom is like so cool, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment below what your favorite decorating tip is, and I will read it and comment back, and I will love to see you in my next video. See you guys. Bye.